In DesignerLogic, it's easy to copy items from your history to a new project. There's a few places to do this. The first is in the main items history section. Here you have a list of all the different items in your history from every single project. Simply click the filter button, find the project that you want to copy from. You can even narrow it down by proposal if you want to copy just an entire proposal. Hit filter, and here you'll see all the items that you filtered by. Now if you want to copy all of them, you can just hit select all, and you can deselect ones you don't want, and click copy bulk selected items. Then simply choose the new project that you want to add it to. You can add it to a phase of that project at that time if you want. You can use the existing areas, or you can put them all into a new area if you select the new area from that project. You can also use the existing item numbers if you'd like to, or you can just have DesignerLogic create the item numbers for you, and you can add it to a proposal on that project if that project has a proposal. At the same time, you can copy these items to the catalog if you want to keep them in your catalog. Once you have this all worked out here, just click Update, and that's copied all those items to that new project. So when you go to the project, and this is the project we copied it to, we're going to go to the items and work list for that project. And here you can see all those items were copied directly to this project, including all the spec information, all the prices, and everything else. Now, if you want to add items while you're on this project from your history, you don't have to go to that items history page. You can just go to the Edit Add link at the top and choose Item from History. And here you'll see a similar form. You can filter that list by the project you want to get the item from. And in this case, we'll choose the library of that project. And here we have all the items that are in the library of that project. We can select them all if we'd like to. And just click Copy Bulk Selected Items. And then we want to add it to a new area or keep the existing area, which we'll do in this case. And click Update. And here you can see when we close this page and we refresh that main items list, that it has copied all those items down here at the bottom into that library. Now it takes sometimes up to 10 to 15 minutes to copy images from your history, but they will show up in 10 or 15 minutes. And that's how you copy items from your history in DesignerLogic.